Welcome back. In this video, I show you how to add content to your channel. Click to edit the channel and then navigate to the video section. To add a new video, we need to click the plus button. The video has been added here. Click on it and you'll see what you need. A video ID, a video title, description, and so on. I'll start with a video ID. The video ID should be a number that's unique on your channel, like 01 for the first video, 02 for the second video, etc, etc, or any other number that you might want to use. It's important to be unique for every video inside a channel. You need a video title that should represent your video and a video description that shouldn't be longer than 200 characters. A video thumbnail image must be 800 by 450 pixels in JPEG or PNG format. Both the video title and the video description are used in the search queries on both platforms, on Roku and on Amazon. The next field is the copyright field. In this field, you should paste a link where Roku or Amazon can find the documentation attesting that you have the right to use the content. If the content is copyrighted or part of the content contains copyrighted images, music, footage, or any other copyrighted content, you're in trouble. Amazon has a very smart AI that scans all the channels for copyrighted content, and they'll block the channel or even delete the channel if you don't have the right to use the content that you have on your channels. The next tab is the tag section. Tags are used on both Roku and Amazon to create categories. Basically, you need to assign a keyword or a tag to every video you put on the channel. On Roku basically on those keywords or tags you can create the categories inside your channel, and on Amazon Fire those tags are used to actually create the categories. If you intend to publish the channel on Amazon Fire, you may want to use, let's say, internet marketing spelled this way, because that's how it will show up on Amazon Fire as a category. Make sure that you don't use any special characters or don't leave spaces either. Click enter and the tag is active. The next field is genre, basically the content type, comedy or a drama or educational, and so on. The next field is content. This is the place where you input your video links and your video data. You should start with the TrickPlay files. If this is the case, just copy and paste the link in the field. The video resource section, this is the place where you actually copy and paste in your video link. As you can see, we automatically add dummy content so you can have a better image or understanding on what needs to go where. So let's replace that with our link. It's HD quality, MP4, and now click on validate. When you click the validate icon, the TV Boss Fire app will send out a signal to your hosting server, and it will ask for your video bitrate and duration. Depending on your internet connection and your hosting server, it can take a couple of seconds or a bit longer. When you've finished, just click save and scroll up and fill in the video duration. Remember that TrickPlay files on Roku are a requirement for every video longer than 15 minutes in length. If your video is longer than 15 minutes and your Roku account is approved for monetization, you can add the ad breaks. Basically, these ad breaks tell Roku when in our video or in our program that they can show ads from your ad feed. The format must be as follows. Let's say our video is 30 minutes long and we want a video ad on minute 20 and a second on 30. Click enter and you have your first ad break set up. By default, Roku will show an ad at the beginning of the video. And with this, our video metadata is already set up for you. If we scroll down, we found the next field, the credits field. Here you can give credits if you want to or if you have to. You can credit actors, producers, and so on. The next field is parental rating. We do our best to have all sources for parental rating and all possible ratings in the app, okay? So if your content needs any kind of parental rating, please select from the list the appropriate option for your content. The analytics is where you'll see the analytics about your video, but only after the video has a couple of views. When you have all the information filled in, just click save and you have your first video added to the channel. When you want to add the next video, just click the plus sign again and start the process from the beginning as many times as you need. I hope that was easy to understand. See you in the next video.